Hi, it is Thursday, October 22nd, and today in math we were still working with subtraction stories with an add-in or a number missing. We need to find that member of the family is what I call it. The three numbers that go together in adding or subtraction problem. Call that a family, a number family. So we've got four problems for math. We've got two on the front side, two on the back. On the front, they have drawn, we've introduced not only a number bond, but also over here is a picture bond. So they're going to have to fill out a picture bond that matches the story. So for number one, it says Grace has a total of 7 dolls. And I want them to circle that number. She puts 2 in the toy box and takes the rest to her friend's house. How many dolls does she take to her friend's house? So we have two numbers, a 7 and a 2. We're missing the third member of this number family, and that's what we need to find out. Now, they've already filled out the 7 for us. We know that there's also 2. She puts 2 in the toy box. So we're going to put a 2 on the addition problem. So 2 plus something is 7. Or what I've told them is a little bit easier is the subtraction problem. 7 take away the 2 that we already know about will give you how many she took to her friend's house. So if we solve that problem, that would be 5. 2 plus 5 is 7, or 7 take away 2 is 5. Once you have all three numbers of your family, you can fill in your number bond. Up at the top, the box that's always by itself, that's where your total is going to go. The biggest number, which would be 7. Another number of our family is 2. And then the number we just found out is 5. Once they fill in a number bond, they can come over here and fill out a picture bond. The same thing, but instead of using numbers, they're going to use dots, lines, circles, any quick math drawings they could use. So up at the top, we have a 7. So how many dolls did she have? She had 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We look at another number bond. The other part is 2. So how many went to the toy box? 2. And we found out just now how many went to her friend's house, which is 5. So we draw 5 lines. Grace takes 5 dolls to her friend's house. So that's how you do that story. Number 2 goes the exact same way. When you flip it over on the back, you notice that there the picture number bond or the picture bond is missing. So what I told the students to automatically do right away is draw that number bond. Even before reading the story, I want them to get that picture bond drawn out. Now we can read the story. There are 9 dogs at the park. 5 dogs play with balls. The rest are eating bones. How many are eating bones? So now we've got our 2 numbers that belong with our family. We need to find the third one. They've given us a 9 here, but we need to figure out where that 9 goes down here. 9 we know is the total, so that's going to go first with our subtraction problem. All right, our other number is 5, so we're just going to plug that in. 5 plus something is 9, or 9 take away the 5 dogs will give you how many are eating bones. So let's solve that problem. I've told the students to start with subtraction. It's a little bit easier. Hold up 9 fingers, take away 5, will give you 4. 4 dogs are eating bones. 5 plus 4 is 9. We're going to fill in our number bond. The top number, or the box that's by itself, that is our total, our biggest number, which is 9. And then we've got 2 parts, the 5 and the 4. They're going to take that information and they're going to draw it over here. 9 dogs at the park. 5 are playing with balls. So that leaves us with the 4 that are eating bones. So down here in our statement, we need to say 4 dogs are eating bones. Same thing down here. Make sure the students go ahead and draw that picture bond before they get started so they know they don't miss that part. And then you've got your math facts and your number bond. If you have any questions about this homework, please email me or call me. Have a good night.